The journey of the largest spacecraft ever built begins here. From raw steel to a spacecraft that reaches beyond Earth. Launch. Stage 1. Aerospace steel arrives. Aerospace-grade stainless slaption.
Precision laser surface inspection. Stage 2. Precision laser crack detection. Tiny scratches, pits, and surface ecchiometres.
Stage 3. Alloy verification. Verify the chromium, nickel, and alloy composition against glowing aerospace accretion. Stage 4. Steel uncoiling. Stage 5. Precision steel flattening.
Works with the AI robotic, for instance.
Stage 6. Precision plasma cutting. Stage 7. Welding edge preparation. Stage 8. Robotic sheet transfer. Stage 9. Ring forming.
Figure in the past speed say.
Stage 10. Robotic tack welding. Stage 11. Deep seam welding. Stage 12. Weld inspection. Stage 13. Ring stacking. Stage 14. Barrel welding. Stage 15. Weld strength testing. Stage 16. Internal ring reinforcement. Stage 17. Internal ring welding. Stage 18. Precision hull cutting.
Stage 19, heat shield material mixing.
Stage 20, heat shield tile molding. Stage 21, thermal tile sintering. Stage 22, tile quality scan. Stage 23, thermal adhesive application. Stage 24, heat shield tile installation. Stage 25, tile precision testing. Stage 26, composite materials arrival. Aerospace-grade carbon fiber condition for aerodynamic flap production. Stage 27, robotic carbon fiber to placement. Stage 28, composite flap curing. Stage 29, composite integrity testing. Stage 30, CNC hinge machining. Stage 31, robotic hinge installation. Stage 32, hydraulic actuator installation. Stage 33, flap load testing. Simulated launch testing. Stage 34, engine materials arrival. Raw aerospace tow copper blocks. Advanced superalloy. Stage 35, engine 3D printing. Stage 36, engine part cleaning. Stage 37, turbo pump precision machining.
Stage 38, cooling jacket welding.
Stage 39, engine line assembly. Stage 40, engine leak testing. Stage 41, advanced rocket engine cold force test. Stage 42, turbine blade crystal scan. Stage 43, engine transport. Stage 44, engine alignment. Stage 45, engine hydraulic bolting. Stage 46, cryogenic line connection. Stage 47, internal tank bulkheads. Stage 48, internal pipe welding. Stage 49, nose cone installation. Stage 50, nose cump final welding. Stage 51, hot staging ring installation. Booster interface. Stage 52, avionics system wiring. Stage 53, fiber optic routing. Stage 54, avionics seal testing. Stage 55, maneuver thruster installation. Stage 56, tank pressure testing. Stage 57, structural stress testing. Stage 58, surface preparation cleaning. Stage 59, heat reflective coating. Stage 60, final tile inspection.
Totally 8 kg.
Stage 61, colossal deep space vehicle rollout. The power of heavy transporter engines back the limbs. The power will chew over the transporter engine alignment. Stage 62, launch mount integration. Stage 63, launch line connection.
Stage 64, full system rehearsal.
Stage 65, final flight verification.
Time. Autonomy navigate. Navigate and verify the software.
Final stage, liftoff of the colossal space vehicle. Final stage, climbing beyond the atmosphere. Mission complete, reaching a new world.
Mission final. Controlled planetary landing. Extensifies.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible technological mentors. Det är only importantly connectus, and we are tävling doctorism.